Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Ops. I'm excited, super excited to share this year CaribAThon 2023, which is co-hosted by myself and Karen from Run Writes Read. So after you finish watching this, pop over to her channel and check out her video as well. So we are going to have CaribAThon this year. It starts on Wednesday, June 7th, and it ends on Saturday, June 17th. So get about 11 days to read, but you know me, I'm doing it all month. So you can always read all month, all year too, because there's a lot of Caribbean authors that are out there, and the more we explore, the more we read, the more it becomes available easier for all of us, because we need to support these authors, and these books are amazing. Especially in the last couple of years, where we've had digged up and discovered so many new and amazing Caribbean stories to talk about and to share with everybody. So for our group read, it's going to be an author. This is her debut novel, but she came up with a short story collection back in 2019, and that is The God of Good Looks by Brianne McIver. So this is a giving me very much contemporary. It's giving me much scandalous. It's giving me much a young girl going through it and decisions that she made. So this is about a woman who had an affair with a government official, and of course that's never good. And she now pursuing a career with a man who's helping her, and there's some kind of thing happen that could completely destroy her dreams and her goals, and we're gonna find out what she did and what's the consequence. That's what we're gonna find out. I thought this would be fun. It's summer, so let's try to read something that's not always super heavy. I'm hoping it's not. I have not read it, and it just came out a week ago, so I don't know much about it. So we're going to be entering this book on the same level of not knowing much about it, and this is the way I want to read it, because it's just going to be much more fun, and excited to discover what the author wrote in this book. So on this channel, there will be a lot more other books I would talk about, because I have a long TBR that I'm working on. A lot of physical, but there are some. There's also another new release that is not out yet. It will be out on the 30th. So I'm excited for that book. So, and then also other books that I could not get on physical copy of, but it will be on my Kindle. So there's a list that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in the next couple of days. There will be a lot more videos on this channel in June. The goal is to really share and try to give you ideas of books you can pick up that is from Caribbean author. We need to support these Caribbean authors. They come from a smaller publishing background. They are not often pushed, and we need to get them pushed, because there are so many good Caribbean books that are no longer in print, because for whatever reason, I think the more we talk, the more we push, we can get some of these books to get back in print, because it's just amazing books that it should be available to everyone. With that said, hop over to my YouTube on the regular Karen. There's also Instagram. There will be also other people who are doing things to support Caribbean author on Instagram. So we are going to celebrate June. We're going to celebrate Caribbean heritage, and we're going to have a good time. And you guys know I'm Jamaican, so I got to put a little mix in there with my Jamaican things. So we will always have fun in June on this channel. This is the 4th year, and I'm here for it. So let me know if you've ever joined in on the CaribAThon, and then how many times you have done it with us. Also, what are some of your favorite Caribbean authors and books that you have read and really enjoy, because it's always good to discover some books that you never know about. There's so many books I've never known about that I'm still discovering. So share those in the comments, and let's support and read some Caribbean books. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.